Hey, how you doing? So I've got this problem. I'm 3D printing a Mandalorian helmet, and I'm going to show you the problem right here. It's printing right now, so I'm just going to turn the camera around here. Hang on. I'm not really sure if you can see that, but right there, okay, it lifted up because I had to put this little clamp on the corner because the whole print started to pull up this magnetic base that I've got. So it actually lifted, it was lifting this up. So I put that down, and when I put that down, of course, it pulled the print down. And now I tried to fix it a little bit, and I'll show you how I did it, but I'm going to actually try something a little bit different. So what I did is I got this, hang on. I got this soldering iron from Banggood, and it's got a temperature control on it, a little plusy minusy thing there. So you can set what temperature this actually runs at. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to pause the print. Let's pause the print. Sorry for the mess. And pause the print. Let's see here. Let's plug this guy in. Plug her in there. Okay. And now, let's see, that's set to 281. Let's lower that down just a little bit here. Maybe, I don't know, 250 might be okay. Okay, so now that the print is paused, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to resume the print so that the temperature doesn't drop. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set this up here. Let me see if this will be a good spot to look at. I'm not sure what that's going to do. You're not going to be able to see that there. Hang on here. Let me see it. Kind of need three hands. Of course, I hit the record button and that stopped the camera from recording. So let's see. Wish I had three hands. Let's see if this will do. Let's see if we can get this in shot here. Alright, you can sort of see it. Alright, so now got a little piece of filament here. Yeah, I'm going to bump that temperature back up a little bit, 250. It's a little slow, let's do 260. Just don't want it to burn it. Alright, let's see here. Let's melt this. I need more light. I need more light. Okay. Let's get more light. I know where to put the light. That'll work. That sort of works. Okay. So, what we're doing here essentially is I'm going to try and weld this plastic back together, and it's more so when this print gets taller, every time you put down a layer, it's going to put stress on the whole thing. And my thought is that if there's enough stress, it may want to crack this, you know, like, because it's a little bit weaker here. So what I want to do is this. You know, this will get sanded out afterwards, so you won't even know it's there. But more just for now, just to see if it's sort of, you know, kind of repairable. Let's see here. Let's see here. But I picked up the soldering iron specifically for this purpose because I had noticed a couple other prints that I did had similar issues where the print itself had a little crack in it, and I just wanted to see if this would actually accomplish anything. And I'm not going to go and weld the whole thing up. Oopsie. That didn't break anything. I'll move the printer. Okay. There we go. I think I have a bit of a winner here, and I really hope that oh, look at that, most of that's not even in the shot. I don't know how much of that you saw. Well, let's see. Maybe the camera moved when the flashlight fell down. But let's just do a little bit more for you, just in case you didn't see it. Okay, so again, we'll just take a little bit of the, and this is the same filament. This was just pulled off the end of the beginning of the roll, and I'm heating up the filament with the soldering iron, sort of pushing it in that little crack there, and then just sort of massaging it around. Like I said, we'll fix this afterwards. You know, like we'll do some post-processing on it. This is just to sort of see if it prevents the whole thing from cracking and splitting. Because I did have I'll actually show you the other one, because it did actually split quite a bit. Let me see here. Let's see if you can see that. Can see that very well or not. How's that? Maybe there. Like I said, it looks pretty ugly right now, but this is all sandable, right? This is all fixable. Probably enough. So you can see here and then over here. I'm not sure if that was in shot when I think it was when I started, but not afterwards. And there's a little bit, let's see, a little bit of a crack over there, but it's going to be hard to get to. I'm going to, hang on a sec here. Boom. All right, I'm gonna stop recording now. I think you guys got the gist of what I'm trying to do. You take the soldering iron, take a little bit of filament, and you're basically welding the crack up. And oh, here's the other one, and this is what happened. See, this is what's happened to the other one, where it actually, because it pulled up, it actually split, and this one here actually split like the whole thing. But you can see where this one here. Oops. Well, there you go. See there? That's bust. But this is actually another problem. This is like probably filament that wasn't very good. This was some bargain basement stuff that I had picked up a while ago. And you can see that it's split in quite a number of places, but if I would have welded that, it probably would not have done that. Unfortunately, this particular helmet, this guy here, let's just take that because it's garbage now. This particular helmet was printed before I got that little tool, that soldering iron, and anyways, pick up that piece. The other one, some filament on the ground, the other one that I printed actually was printed with some very good filament, and even though you can see that I've put a couple of colors in that and started and stopped quite a few times actually on this one, these are all sort of half spools or quarter spools, actually about eighth spools. There was about 100 grams on each one. I took those, probably about 20 of them, more than stacked there, to make this helmet. Unfortunately, this helmet doesn't fit my head. So this one, on the printer now, has been enlarged. I'm just going to start that print again. It's been enlarged so that hopefully it fits my head. And this, of course, is used. I decided not to go the scavenging from roll ends. That first print took about 1,800 grams of filament. This one here, I changed the support infill to something a lot coarser, and it's what is it? It's only like 1,200 or 1,300 grams filament to use to make this guy. But anyway, so I used these sticks just to hold down the ends, and that's what caused my problem here when I did that. So hopefully that turns out fantabulous. I will post another video when that's all done. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I say, that soldering iron seems to do the trick. And it was like 20 bucks, and it's, you know, temperature controlled, and it was on Banggood. You guys know where to find that stuff. Oops. Anyways, there we go. Unplug that guy. Keep it safe. And anyways, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Take her easy. Bye.